former furniture warehouse located in an urban industrial area near downtown Los Angeles was in the process of improvements to make way for a new tenant. The property developer, working with Farallon Consulting, a full-service environmental consulting firm specializing in brownfield redevelopment in the western U.S., worked with their client to conduct indoor air quality testing to ensure the updated warehouse would offer future tenants a safe and healthy work environment.
We first were hired to do some due diligence for this property, and we identified some sub-slab VOC levels, particularly PCE, that required us to look at the indoor air. And we found out there was an indoor air exposure issue. Levels weren't extremely high, but they were high enough that they exceeded regulatory guidance. Our particular client has experience with vapor intrusion issues, and so they work with us to preemptively respond with a vapor intrusion mitigation solution.
Farallon conducted testing using VaporSafe, an innovative and highly accurate testing solution that identified the elevated levels of PCE and recommended a proven and effective vapor mitigation system using RetroCoat to preemptively protect against any potential vapor intrusion.
RetroCoat has undergone third-party testing against PCE and TCE, and it was designed for sites like this that have potentially chlorinated solvents, petroleum hydrocarbons. So I'm not aware of another coating system or vapor barrier that offers the same level of protection that RetroCoat does, and we're very proud of that at Land Science.
Because it's an existing facility, we immediately thought of RetroCoat. Our experience with using RetroCoat is that it's very effective in cutting off that transmission through the slab. And it's not just a barrier, there's also a lot of prep that goes along with that effort that seals these cracks and other penetrations through the slab.
Introduced over 10 years ago, RetroCoat is still one of the only passive vapor mitigation solutions available for existing structures and a preferred choice for environmental firms like Farallon Consulting.
What I like about RetroCoat is the product is clearly developed for the applications that we're going after, which is dealing with PCE and TCE typically. Both have permeation aspects that this appears to be designed for. The product has actual permeation data and diffusion coefficients, and I find that very helpful when selecting a product.
One of the key tenets at Land Science is innovation, so we're always pushing for the best mitigation systems that we can offer. We're always looking at new ways to improve on our systems. One of the key benefits of RetroCoat is that it has to be installed by a certified Land Science installer. So when dealing with human health, it's key that whoever is installing the system, they know what they're doing. If it's not installed correctly, then it's not doing its job.
Installation, especially for applications like this site, is safe, fast, and efficient.
I found that regulators, specifically the State Water Board, County DEH, and some other agencies have been on board with this product. They're actually familiar with it, and I think that makes a difference. It helps the approval process go quickly. I think we're a solid customer of RetroCoat. Plan on using it in the future.
For more information on Farallon Consulting, go to www.farallonconsulting.com. And for more information on RetroCoat and Land Science's full suite of contaminant vapor barrier systems, go to www.landsciencetech.com.